Here's a quick look at this central heating unit. You might have this branded as the Horstmann ChannelPlus XL or some variation of that. Look, if you just want to put on your hot water or heating and you just don't understand it all, two things you can do. You can press the boost button and then that comes on. Basically, I think it's for an hour. Yep, and you've got the boost. Or if I press boost off, you can also do this. You can toggle through by pressing the select button and then on, and that is the water side, and this is the central heating. Okay, and that's just the fastest and easiest way to get your heating on. But just remember, with this one, it stays on all day, and if I toggle through, it goes off all the time, and then back to the program, toggle through again, the heating, back to the program. So probably the safest option is just to boost, just gives you an hour. But if you need it quick and easy and the programming is really annoying, that's the way to do it. Now if you want a full video on this, check out my video here to give you all the insights on how to program it, because this thing was so frustrating when we moved in here. And I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in another video soon. Thank you for watching.